are very pretty. Oh, shit. What's that? Watch. This tree's nice. This tree's nice. Look at him. Fuck you. Fuck you, you piece of shit. What's good, everybody? It's your boy Dre. We're about to check out tripleS Baby Flower official MV. I'm just gonna get straight to it in 3, 2, 1, bow. I like that they have the member's name because I still struggle with the names of tripleS sometimes. I love a good running song. This is what it feels like. Hello? Ow. I like the editing of this. The editing pace. Oh. Wow, the color correction in here too. Sounds like an anime intro. I think it's a drum pace. Hey, how long has tripleS been together? Oh. Someone said we're all Naruto running. Blood, Sweat, and Tears mentioned. I don't know. Oh, not young. Hey, hey, hey. La, la. No more tears mentioned. Ooh, ooh, the formation fire. I mean, damn. It just makes me want to like yell. Ha! Like type vibe. It's like an adrenaline rush. Ooh. The shots that they chose, like the location shots, are very pretty. Oh, shit. Wow, I like the way it was shot. I love the way the song feels. Again, it does feel like I'm running, or someone said Naruto run. That note was crazy. Dahyun, I see. I do want to see this live too. I'm very curious to it. Woo! Damn, you gotta clap it up for that one. That's crazy. I love the way the color correction in this, the vibe, the edited pacing, especially to the song, is fire. Good job, tripleS. Definitely gonna be adding this to the playlist. This feels like, watch this be in my like workout playlist. I'm gonna add this to my workout playlist. They'll never know unless they're an actual tripleS fan. Love the close-up shots too. Wow, good job, tripleS. Shout out to the editor. Shout out to the composer, the production. Shout out to tripleS themselves. Crazy work, crazy work. All right, y'all. Put a comments down below what you guys think of tripleS's Baby Flower. Whether, you know, comments on the music video, the song, the high note, the choreography, the formations. From, I mean, if you have a group that big, I would expect some dope formations, which they have been giving. But again, like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Dre, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day. Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now.